Hi, I'm Mr. Chuck W., and you've reached our channel, No Permanent Dwelling. We're going to put out a series of short clips. These clips will cover tricks, tips, and comments about living full-time in an RV. If you have scissors, but I have a pocket knife. So this is like using Teflon tape. Thank you for watching. I'll try and say this really fast so that you won't get bored. But if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button, also the like button, that thumbs up thing, and the notification button. That really helps for our channel while we're getting started. Also, equally important, please leave us a comment below. Haters not welcome. Pointers, as we learn, always welcome. Anyway, we'd love to hear from you, and until next time, talk to you later.